Hey guys, welcome back to R&M episodes, and today we are going to be doing a video and it's another role play, but I'm really sorry, Maddie. I'm like doing a role play with my friend, let's just call her Unicorns. You know her, I think you know what her actual name is, but I'm really sorry, Maddie. We were just so bored and we really wanted to do this, so just a message that goes out to you guys. Hope you enjoy it. I hope you like this role play, and it's about Joe and Ellie, how they met and how their relationship started. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the role play so far. Oops, I'm so sorry. I didn't really mean to. I'm so sorry. I hope you're okay. I'm really sorry. But, anyway. Oh yeah, you don't need to rush. Just take your time. It's fine. So, you're really cute. Yeah, of course. Do you want to meet up today? Okay, where do you want to meet? And when? Maybe around 7 and at the restaurant. I think that'd be cool. Okay, see you there. See you around. You know, you're really cute, so I'm getting excited to get to know you. Yeah, sure. I'm going to meet her. Oh, hey. It's nice to see you again. You look beautiful. You look really pretty. Oh, thank you, says you. Yeah, sure. What shall I order? I think I'm hungry. I'm not going to order anything. Yeah, sure. So, what are your plans for tomorrow? You look really beautiful today. Oh, yeah. Let's just say nothing happened there. Okay, so, should we go? Let's go. Should we go to the hair salon before we go to bed? Okay, let's go. Hello, I've booked an appointment for me and Ellie to go for a hair salon appointment. Yep, okay. Thank you. What does this look like? Oh no, this looks disgusting. Hair. What does this look like? Oh yeah, actually, no, I've gone off that style. Let's just go back to the same one. So, do you want to have a sleepover tonight? I mean, nothing strange will happen. Yeah, do you want a cup of tea? Maybe I can make one before we go to bed and we can get in our PJs. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go and get my PJs. Oops, Sorry, I didn't know you were in there. Okay, I'm dressed. I'll quickly go and ask her what cup of tea she wants. Oh, you look really, really cute. Yeah, you look fine. I look a bit weird, but which cup of tea do you want? Okay. 2. Oh, wait, what? Do you want a lollipop? No, I don't think she does. Okay. This one's my favourite. Oh, it turns out pink. Oh, there she is. There we go. No problem. I'm gonna head up to bed. You can have the top bedroom if you want. Yeah, I'm sure. I'll just sleep downstairs. Night. Ah, that was a nice sleep. Oh, hey Ellie. How was your sleep? Oh, thank you. I wasn't expecting you to make that. Thank you so much. I really, really deserve that. Okay, I'm going to sit down here. Help yourself to an apple or some water. Okay, we're at the... Okay, yep, that's fine. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, oh. Ah! I can't get up. What? I can't get up. Yeah, that didn't go too well. I was kind of drowning, but, where's Ellie? Okay, where do you want to go now? Yeah, I know, right? But I was kind of dying. Okay, where should we go? Let's go to... I don't know. Let's see. Why don't we just have a duvet day? Actually, no, that's really boring. Usually something. Okay, let's just sit here, I guess. So guys, that was another video of R&M episodes, and thank you so much for Unicorns, my friend, for joining in this video. Thank you so much for your help for playing Ellie, and thank you, Maddie, for doing this channel with me. Obviously it was originally my channel, but I changed it, and so we are now doing a joint account. Make sure that you go and follow me on Instagram. I don't really know. I don't even know what my name is on Instagram. I completely went out of my head. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for Unicorns, which is my friend, for joining in with this video and playing Ellie. I've said that twice. But make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment on what video of Roblox or maybe Sims you would like to see on this channel. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's Ruby, and yeah guys, thank you guys for watching.